How to create mock-ups in Canva. First, log in on your Canva account, and here in the home page, you can see Create Design in the upper right corner of the screen beside your picture. And then, select Instagram Post Square. Now, once you are in the editing page, in the left side of the screen, you can see different options. Select Uploads. And simply select the image that you want to put as your mock-up. For example, this one. And then you can edit it, resize it, crop it, and then add other elements to it. After you're satisfied and done, in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see Share. Once you have clicked that, you will see this, and then all you have to do is scroll down and select More. Now, scroll down here until you see Smart Mockups, but if you can't find it, simply search it in the search bar. Now, select Smart Mockups. Click Use. Then, click Connect, or it will automatically open another page, and it will ask you to sign up. You can now log in using your Google or email. Choose one, and once you are done, this page will appear, so simply click Connect. And now you can see in the right side of the screen, you can see Smart Mockups. Click Save. And they will start preparing your design. This may take a while, and then my design has been saved. You can now view it in Smart Mockups. It will redirect you to this page, and here you can see different styles and designs for your mock-up. You can now choose what is best for you and then simply click it. For example, here, I chose the t-shirt design, and it may load for a while, so let's just wait. And then, as you can see, my design is already here in the t-shirt. You can also edit it in the right side. Images, customize, you can change the color scheme, shades, t-shirt color, your branding, and then the background. You can also crop it, but some feature here are for Pro, so just take note of that. And once you're satisfied with everything, you can now click Download. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.